BittyBrush. Hello. Let's draw a Christmas tree. It's working out great. I really love Christmas, don't you? Have you written a letter to Santa yet? I hope Santa will give me a train. How well it turns out. Green. Good job. Yellow. Red. Blue. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. Brown. The Christmas tree turned out to be beautiful. BittyBrush. Hi, let's draw a Christmas candy cane. Very good. It's very simple. Let's draw together. Let's draw the lines. Let's color the elements red. Very good. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. What a wonderful candy cane it turned out to be. BittyBrush. Hello. Let's draw a cute snowman. The hat. Wonderful. Let's draw a circle. Legs. Let's draw the hands. Buttons. And a scarf. How cute! A carrot nose, smile and eyes. Let's paint the hat black. Perfectly. Red. The ball and buttons are also red. Very good. The hands are brown. Good. The nose is orange. What a cute snowman it turned out to be. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos. BittyBrush. Hello. Let's draw a Santa Claus bag. A rope and a bow. Perfectly. And now let's draw two gifts. Great. Gift number 2. Good. Let's paint Santa's bag red. Perfectly. rope and a yellow bow. A green gift. And a red ribbon. A blue gift. What a beautiful bag. I wonder what's inside. Don't forget to subscribe to the BittyBrush channel to see more videos.